Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. Let's have a look at another awesome pre-owned vehicle. Just arrived here. 2019 Toyota Camry SE package. Lots of standard features. Love it in the white color. It's gorgeous. You got the nice alloy wheels. I'll do a quick walk around the outside, then I'll show you some of the interior features. It's all about transparency. So like I said, it's the SE package, so lots of standard features. Really nice back bumper. You got the dual exhaust tips, which makes it kind of sportier looking than the regular, we'll call it the LE package or basic package. Turn signal indicators on the mirrors. Nice beefy grille. Really shows well. We walk up and down. Overall, it's in really nice condition. Lots of factory warranty remaining. Let's have a look at the trunk real quick. It's a good sized trunk. One thing neat is you get the rubber mats with it, which I'll push over so you can see how big the trunk is. Really good sized trunk. You got split folding rear levers, so again this folds down so you can get some additional cargo space if you're doing little coaches at home or anything like that. So again, lots of versatility there. Jump in the back, get nice leather seating. You got some cup holders in the middle seat which can fold up for your fifth seat. As you can see, carpets are all in nice shape. You got a little storage compartment there. Power windows in the rear. So again, leather seats. Go on the inside now. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have a locking rear windows as well. You have a power driver seat with lumbar support. You got a plethora of standard features. We're just going to turn this guy on because it is hot out today. All right. Just going to cool myself down a little bit here. Alrighty. So let's see. How come I can't figure this out? There we go. Alright, so we got the air conditioning on. So, what else do you get in this vehicle? You've got traction control. You've got fog lights, you've got a lever for the trunk, obviously a fuel door. You've got Bluetooth hands-free calling, voice recognition. You've got all your cruise controls. You've got smart cruise as well. You've got lane departure warning, you've got tons of awesome things. All volume controls, so for your radio. You've got heated seats, 3-stage on both sides. You've got a 12 volt and a 120 volt. You got some plugins down here. You got some additional storage there. So lots of cool things. Temperature gauge, really easy to use. Air conditioning, obviously front rear defrost. Really nice laid out and cool touchscreen. So really neat with a backup camera built in. Obviously Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So lots of cool stuff. All built in to the vehicle. So don't miss out, guys. Really cool car. Shows really nice. I mean, the leather's in nice shape. I'm really impressed by this Camry. Lots of factory warranty remaining. And you know, Camry's been around for a while, so definitely a reliable vehicle, we'll call it. We don't need to go further than that. We know it's a reliable vehicle. So again, 2019 Toyota Camry with the SE package. As we just looked, lots of standard features, leather, touchscreen, backup camera, alloy wheels, so much to talk about. Shows really well. Don't miss out. Shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com. And of course, make sure you follow us on Facebook. Always giving away tons of free stuff. So whether you're in the market or not, it pays to follow us on Facebook. We look forward to seeing you soon. And again, like I said, visit seawayhyundai.com for all your new and pre-owned vehicle needs.